would have felt a lot better if we won. We realized the mistakes that we made, and we're very anxious to go back to work and practice tomorrow and fix them.
During the Canada, you seemed very emotional. Did it hit you at that point level to play at your hometown team?
It did. Hearing the national anthem, you know, I've always heard the national anthem in elementary school growing up, but it was a lot more special today. Not that it was any different, it just felt surreal. You know, this thing, like I've said before, has taken a 360-degree turn. I was born here, raised here. I left when I was 18 years old to go to college. And for it to come back around after 12 years in the NBA is just, you know, something that I'll never forget.
Jamal, the crowd was great tonight. How good did it feel to get them fired up before the game?
The crowd is, I would say, one of the best crowds, not only in the NBA in the present day, but that I've ever seen. The atmosphere was like the playoffs. Everybody was uniform in red T-shirts, and everybody had, you know, handkerchiefs waving. You don't see that until the playoffs. So you could see what the organization is trying to do here. They're trying to change the culture and build a winning basketball franchise, and they're taking all the right steps to do so.